talk about how can you disable accounts notifications on your Amazon shipping app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just click on this sign here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this page. You click on this sign. So when you just click on it here, so then here automatically it's going to take you, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on account and shipping here. Then just switching to open with you like this. You will find your account. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's the main accounts notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.